Hey everyone, and welcome to my brand new studio. For those who are new, I'm Lamia, and to my amazing subscribers, thank you for being part of this journey. When I started, it was just me and a passion for crypto, trying to navigate this complex world. Thanks to your support, we've grown into an incredible community. But we are not stopping here. My goal is to empower even more people to achieve financial freedom and transform their lives through smart financial choices. This isn't just a new space, it's the start of a new chapter, and I want to bring you right into it with a bit of my story. I first heard about Bitcoin back in 2013 when I was studying computer programming and software engineering at university. One of our tutors actually mentioned it, but he called it a scam. And that stuck with me because we were trained to be extremely cautious, always double checking links and verifying sources, protecting our systems, and so on. So when I used to see things online like pay with Bitcoin or play to earn Bitcoin, I immediately thought scam alert. That's what we were taught, and back then I didn't question it. But in 2017, my brother brought it up again. He said, look at crypto, it's exploding. People are making real returns. And that's when I paused. I had that second thought, and instead of brushing it off, I started digging. Because of my background in computing, I actually understood the Bitcoin white paper. The idea of blockchain made total sense to me, and I realized this was a whole new system, and that's when everything changed. Since then, I've been investing, learning, and growing in this space. And what I've come to see is this. Bitcoin isn't just about price, it's about power. It's a response to inflation, to centralized control, to broken financial systems. It's the first real opportunity for everyday people to take back financial freedom. Most people still think it's just digital money or a way to get rich quick, but that's a shallow view. Bitcoin is actually the foundation of a new financial system. It's decentralized, meaning no government, no banks, no company controls it. And that's powerful. In a world where inflation silently eats away your savings and banks can freeze your assets, Bitcoin gives you true ownership. It's your money on your terms. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That scarcity alone makes it a hedge against inflation, unlike fiat currencies that get printed endlessly. Over the years, Bitcoin has evolved. In the beginning, it was mostly used by tech geeks, libertarians, and people who believed in a decentralized future. It had a reputation problem tied to scams, hacks, and the dark web. But look where we are now. Institutions are buying it. Countries like El Salvador have adopted it as a legal tender. Billionaires, hedge funds, and even pension funds are starting to take it seriously. We've seen it crash and rise again, and every time it comes back stronger. Now in 2025, Bitcoin isn't just a bet. It's a blueprint, a hedge against broken systems, a way to build real lasting wealth. And for me, it's not just an investment, it's a mission. I want to help more people understand what's really happening because the world is changing, and those who pay attention early are the ones who benefit the most. So if you are ready to learn, grow, and take control over your financial future, make sure you stick around. This is just the beginning. We're taking this into the next level with more in-depth content, practical tips, and inspiring stories. Together, we'll dive into the world of crypto and blockchain, making it accessible and exciting for everyone. Let's keep learning, growing, and achieving amazing things together. So if this resonated with you, if you've ever questioned the system or felt like there has to be another way, then this is your place. Subscribe and turn on the bell. Comment below and tell me, when did you first hear about Bitcoin and what was your first impression? Also, don't forget to join our Telegram and follow us on X. Links are down below. This is Lamia, and I'll see you in the next one.